Empty cartons, the great egg shortage of 2025. Grocery stores are limiting eggs. Trader Joe's allows 1 or 2 dozen per customer. Some Kroger stores only allow 2 dozen per trip. Empty egg cartons litter social media. The news is filled with talk of shortages. America is facing an egg crisis. Prices are skyrocketing. In January 2025, a dozen eggs cost $4.95. A year ago, that same carton cost $2.52. Something had to give. The reasons for the shortage are complex. The easy answer is avian flu. This flu is deadly to birds. It has been spreading since 2022. Millions of chickens have died. Farmers are forced to kill entire flocks to stop the spread. This disrupts the supply chain. The egg shortage is a symptom of a larger problem. Our food system is vulnerable. We rely on a few large producers. When something goes wrong, it impacts everyone. The egg shortage is a wake-up call. We need to rethink how we produce our food. Avian flu is not new. Outbreaks happen, but this outbreak is different. It's the worst in American history. Almost 160 million birds have died. The virus is highly contagious. It spreads quickly through poultry farms. The virus is also very deadly. Almost all infected birds die. There is no cure for avian flu. Farmers have to act fast to contain it. When a case is found, the entire flock is culled. This means killing all the birds on the farm. This is done to prevent the virus from spreading. Culling is a necessary but devastating measure. It takes time to restock a farm after an outbreak. New chicks must be hatched and raised. It takes months for them to start laying eggs. This disruption in production has a ripple effect. It impacts the entire supply chain. The egg shortage reveals a fragile system. Getting eggs from farm to table is complex. It relies on many steps. First, hens lay eggs on farms. These farms can be massive, housing millions of birds. The eggs are then collected, washed and graded. Next, they are packaged and transported to distribution centers. From there, they are shipped to grocery stores and restaurants. Each step in this chain is vulnerable. Avian flu disrupts the first link egg production, but other factors contribute to the shortage. Labor shortages slow down processing and transportation. The rising cost of fuel makes transportation more expensive. These factors combine to create a bottleneck. Fewer eggs are reaching consumers. The ones that do are more expensive. Grocery stores are scrambling. They face empty shelves and frustrated customers. To cope, they are limiting egg purchases. This is meant to prevent hoarding. It also ensures everyone has a chance to buy eggs, but some experts believe these limits could backfire. Limits could create panic. People might buy more eggs than they need. This could worsen the shortage. The good news is that eggs are perishable. People won't hoard them forever. Experts believe the shortage will be short-lived. It's not like the toilet paper crisis of 2020. The egg shortage is a reminder. We depend on a complex system for our food. When that system is disrupted, the consequences are real. Hopefully this crisis will lead to solutions. We need to make our food system more resilient. We need to find ways to prevent future shortages.